Alright guys, we have Chevy Cruze 2012. We doing all key lost. We using the X-Horse Key Tool Max Pro, connected by the OBD. Alright, and we have our key already been cut. The flip key. Put in the ignition, turn the ignition on. We go to Key Tool Max Pro, click MO programming. You look for Chevy, and here before you go to the car you have to read the code, the pin code. Click on it. Here you gotta choose whatever type 1 PCM, type 2. So is this one type 3? I already checked it. How I check it, I use the type 1, and on the end it told me failed, use the type 3. So try anyone. Let me show you. Like you say type 1, click programming, and then read code. Here you're gonna tell you turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on. Yes, click OK. This is the VIN number. Click OK, and download the file. Here, please use type 3 PCM to read the car authorization code. Alright, so alright, we go to 3, click remote programming, read the code. Same thing, turn the ignition off, turn the ignition off. From mechanic key, please switch the ignition off. I'll remove the key, then insert and switch the ignition on. Click OK. The VIN number is correct. Click OK, and should have the code here, 4 digits. Maximum will take 5 minutes, but usually like 1 minute. Right, I'm gonna pause it until come back. Here we go. After I pause it, in a few seconds coming. So the password is 6868. 6868. Remember it. Sometime the tool will save it for you. 6868. Click OK. Now you exit. Here you go back. Here you choose the US. Go down. You choose the car Cruze 2010 2016. Flip key 1.4. That's the engine size. Not sure which type, but we gotta choose the first one. Start programming. So here you have add key or key lost. In our option we don't have a working key, but we're gonna click add key because he wanted just one key. If you do all key lost, you need 2 keys to make sure the car starts. Alright, if you don't have 2 keys, if you want just 1 key, just make sure you click add key. Don't delete the existing key. If you want to check it, it has 3 keys in the car. You need 2 keys on the car to make sure start. And now we go add key, close all the doors, turn the ignition on. The ignition is on. Okay, see the system has 3 keys. You click yes. Oh, okay, so the code, it didn't save it for you. You gotta click you gotta add it 6868. Click OK, and conversion system, please wait. So it will take 10 minutes for the programming. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. We'll be back. Alright guys, it's almost done. Hopefully it's not gonna say failed. Because sometimes say failed when I use the OTL M608 and I have to redo it. Switch the ignition off and remove the key. Alright, remove the key from the ignition and click OK. Open and close the driver door. Open it and close it. Make sure all electric is off. Click OK. Please insert the key to be programmed to the ignition on. So turn the ignition on. Click OK. Current key complete match. Count number 3. Say complete, but the number 3, which is used to have on the system 3. So to determine if the current key was success match, observe the following during the matching procedure: whether is the vehicle has a wrong light flash, whether the instructor crosstalk key read plus status change. Yep, it didn't program it, so we're gonna retry. So on the end it said, do you want match the next key? Click yes. Turn the ignition off. Remove the key. Well, before that you just make sure the control is not working, so it didn't program. Click OK. Gonna tell it open and close the door. Open and close the door. Make sure all the electric are off. Click OK. Turn the ignition on. Hold on, I didn't. Oh, this was a mistake. Alright, now program. That's weird. I just turned the ignition on and off. Click OK. Open and close the door. OK. And you don't turn the ignition on. Please switch the ignition on. Ignition on. Click OK. Current key match complete 4. Now it is working. And do you want to add another one? You click no. Switch the ignition off. Remove the key. Click OK. Open and close the door. Click OK. Almost done. Switch the ignition on. Click OK. Off. OK. Switch the ignition on. Click OK. Keyless match. Please use each key to check the ignition start. And click OK. So it's done. The control are working. And turn the ignition on. Make sure that the security light is went off. If it stay on and the key already programmed, disconnect the battery for 2 minutes and it should be good to go. Here we go.